Getting a refund from Shopify can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Review Shopify's refund policy. Before initiating a refund, familiarize yourself with Shopify's refund policy. This will help you understand what items are eligible for a refund and the time frame within which you can request one. Step 2. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the order section to find the purchase you want to refund. Step 3. Locate the order. In your account dashboard, go to the Orders tab. Find a specific order you wish to refund by scrolling through your order history or using the search function. Step 4. Initiate the refund process. Click on the order to view its details. Look for the option to initiate a refund. Follow the prompts to select the items you want to return and provide any necessary information. Step 5. Submit your refund request. After filling out the required information, submit your refund request. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your request, and the refund will be processed according to Shopify's policy. By following these steps, you can effectively request a refund from Shopify. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify's customer support for further assistance.